If Opera is failing to load pages, freezing randomly, or just feeling slower than usual, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you how to fix common Opera browser errors step by step. We're going to use Opera's built-in recovery options, check for heavy tabs or extensions that may be eating up memory, and then turn off hardware acceleration if needed. This is a simple way to get Opera working normally again, without jumping straight to a full reinstall. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser fixes and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera and look at the top left corner of the browser window. Click the Opera logo to open the main menu. From there, look for Update and Recovery and click it. This section is built into Opera and is designed to help you repair browser issues without losing everything. Once the recovery page opens, go to the recovery section and click the Recover button. Opera will now give you a reset option, and this is the important part. Choose Keep My Data and only reset Opera settings. This option is the safest choice because it fixes problematic backend settings while keeping your saved bookmarks, passwords, and personal data intact. If your browser error was caused by a bad setting, corrupted configuration, or a small internal glitch, this step alone can often solve the problem. After that, let Opera finish the recovery process and then test the browser again by opening a few websites. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to do is check whether Opera is struggling with too much memory usage. Sometimes one tab or one extension can cause the browser to freeze or become unresponsive. To find out, press Shift+E to ESC while Opera is open. That will launch Opera's Task Manager. Here, you'll see a list of tabs, extensions, and processes currently running in the browser. Click the Memory Footprint column header to sort everything by RAM usage. This helps you quickly identify what is using the most resources. Once you spot a heavy tab or extension that looks suspicious, click it, then click End Process to close it. If the browser starts behaving better after ending that process, you've likely found the cause of the problem. You can then reopen the page or disable the extension later if needed. Now, if Opera still has errors, lag, or random freezing, the next fix is to disable hardware acceleration. This is another common cause of browser instability on some systems, especially if your graphics driver is outdated or not fully compatible. To do this, go to Settings by pressing Alt+P, then scroll to the System section. Find the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. After switching it off, restart Opera so the change can take effect. Once Opera restarts, test it again and see if pages load properly and the freezing has stopped. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the issue right away. First, recover Opera while keeping your data. Then, use Task Manager to end memory-heavy tabs or extensions. And finally, turn off hardware acceleration if the problem continues. If you want to be extra thorough, you can also update Opera to the latest version and check your extensions one by one, because outdated software and bad add-ons can also cause browser errors. But for most users, these steps are the fastest way to get Opera stable again. If this video helped you fix your Opera browser error, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more browser troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.